Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine Young and I'm a creative. And this video is going to give you another look at this table place setting. It is going to give you a look at things a little closer in the light. So if you're a little more curious about this place setting and want to see things a little closer, this video is the one for you. This is my favorite place setting. I think the photo is just beautiful, and I think the view at this place setting is just perfect with the creepy old foliage, the headless horseman, dripping jewelry, another spider brooch there, beautiful crescent moon, and more beautiful jewelry sparkling near this place setting. This serving bowl has such a unique shape. Really neat. Lots of jewelry pieces in there. And my 1896 copy of The Legend of Sleepy Hollow. Jewelry casket with beautiful patina. More little jewelry bits in the fake foliage. In this ephemera bowl, there's beautiful old photos and more blingy jewelry bits. And our horseman is even draped in uranium glass beads. I really love the photo in this place setting. I think it's haunting and beautiful. And the view from there is lovely too. Some of the serving dishes are just amazing. I believe this to be Viking. This is a piece I just recently found. Very beautiful. Then at the head of the table here, I love her hair in that photo. And there's just so many things to look at from this angle. So many serving pieces, a lot of unique pieces. It's a really neat angle to look down that table, just full of things. That cup turned out great. That pitcher is a Frigidaire pitcher. I really enjoyed using the old photos at the place settings. There's a beautiful sweater clip, shoe clip. A casket shaped jewelry box. More bling hidden in the moss. And there's more bling hidden in that in that fake foliage there coming out there, and more bling there too. Everywhere I wanted the table to just kind of have a sparkle in one way or another, either with the uranium or with vintage jewelry or with the silver. I love this piece. I thrifted it for $3.99. It will be with me forever. This is such a beautiful piece, such a unique shape. More jewelry, more old books. That is a mourning book from the 1830s. Ugh, and I just love the horseman. More bling. I love all the bows in her hair. I actually thought this cake plate was modern, but when I shined my black light on it, it proved to not be modern. I think this area of the table looks so neat. So many things all clustered together. It really looks like over the years they were all just set there and it kept growing. And then this head of the table, I love that picture. She seriously just looks so haunting and so witchy. I love using these old photos in the display. I love honoring them this way. I think it's a really cool way to showcase them and welcome them to the party. And that's it. That is the full table. It's super busy and cluttered and organic. And it feels kind of ancient, and I truly love it. And I hope that this inspired you. And that's it, y'all. Stay creative. Bye.